a jet bridge argument over a request to leave. That's what this call sounded like, until officers say she wouldn't let go of a metal railing while being placed under arrest. On June 27, 2023, officers responded to a jet bridge at an airport. Airline staff say a woman was refusing to leave after boarding had ended. What stands out is how this ended. Officers eventually needed a wheelchair just to get her off the jet bridge. The first legal question is whether officers had a lawful basis to order her off the property. Body camera audio captures an airline supervisor and operations agent already on scene, asking her to leave. Under general trespass-after-warning statutes, an authorized party's request to leave relayed by police is generally enough to start the clock. She was told twice, on camera, that she would be arrested if she did not leave, and she still refused. That refusal, after a clear warning, is the core element prosecutors need to prove trespass after warning. The second issue is the force used once officers moved to handcuff her. She gripped a jet bridge railing, refusing to let go, while officers pulled her hands behind her back. Under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, force is judged by what a reasonable officer would do at that moment, not by hindsight. The underlying offense here was nonviolent, but her physical grip on a fixed object counts as active resistance officers had to overcome. That distinction matters. Courts generally allow more physical control against active resistance, even for minor offenses, than against a fully compliant subject. The third issue is the added charge of resisting arrest. On camera, an officer states he will add that charge after she continues refusing to sit or extend her feet for transport. Resisting without violence typically requires obstructing a lawful duty, and continuing to physically struggle during handcuffing and transport generally satisfies that element. There's also a third party worth noting, the airline supervisor and operations agent who first requested her removal. Their initial request is what gave police the lawful basis to act. Without it, this likely never becomes a police matter at all. The fourth and most contested issue is the alleged battery on an officer. An officer references a finger placed in his mouth during the struggle and floats a battery charge based on that contact. Battery on a law enforcement officer typically requires intentional, non-consensual contact, not just incidental contact during a physical struggle. The footage does not clearly establish intent, which means this charge, more than the others, would face real scrutiny from a prosecutor. Grading the officers, their verbal warnings before physical escalation, and their narrated justification for each charge support a grade of B-. The rough handling during the wheelchair transport is not clearly excessive, but it is not a clean, textbook removal either. Grading the subject, multiple lawful chances to leave voluntarily were declined, and physical resistance during handcuffing directly worsened her legal exposure, a grade of D. Grading the airline staff. Their decision to call police only after direct requests failed reflects a reasonable, proportionate use of law enforcement as a last resort, a grade of B+. So if a lawful order to leave is given twice on camera, how much resistance is really left to argue in court? Takeaway 1. A lawful order to leave, given clearly and repeated, is usually enough to support a trespass charge on its own. Takeaway 2. Physically resisting handcuffing, even without striking an officer, will almost always add a separate resisting charge. Takeaway 3. Disputed contact during a struggle is not automatically a battery charge. Intent still has to be proven. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.